How to export source code from Emergent AI. Open up Emergent AI, then select your project. Once you have your project open, then we need to close the app preview here, and you will see a button for code. Click on this button and it is going to open up this page. Make sure you copy your password and then you will select Open in Browser. Once you click on Open in Browser, then this is going to take you to VS Code like so, and it is going to ask for your password, which we just copied, so we will submit it. Once you submit your password, then what this is going to do is essentially give you access to your app's code. Once this manages to load, it's a little bit slow. Okay, so as you can see here, it is currently generating the code. So I'm gonna pause and come back. Okay, and just like that, a few seconds later, you have access to your front-end code, back-end code, and everything that you need. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.